Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access files on Capcut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. So at first, create a new project, or you can also edit your existing project. For now, I'll create a new project. Now, to access the file, you can simply click on Import. Now choose the files that you want to edit. For example, I'll search it from my desktop. For instance, I can choose the videos that are in this files. You can also import whole folder. To import whole folder, simply click on Import Folder. And just like this, we can access files in Capcut. And you can keep on editing. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.